To create your 1099 and 1096 forms, at the top of the page, click Create New. Make sure that the year is correct and click Create. Since I have paid contractors that require the two different forms, the 1099 MISC and the 1099 NEC, I will see two different rows here. You may see just one or the other. So I have two contractors using the 1099 MISC form. I can click Show Details to see which two contractors they are, their 1099 type, and their amounts. And when I click Download Options, I can now choose the option based on how I am going to print the forms. If I have purchased pre-printed 1099 forms from an office supply store or directly from the IRS, I can choose the formatted option, and this will simply just print numbers so that you will feed your pre-printed form in through your printer and the numbers will print. You can do the same thing with printing your Form 1096, which is the hard copy summary of all of the 1099s. In most cases, you are going to choose print friendly. This is where you will be putting blank paper in your printer and the entire form will be printable on the blank paper for each contractor. I will show you both ways. So I'm going to choose print friendly first. And you'll see down here I have a PDF downloaded to my computer. The PDF will contain one copy per contractor. So this is copy B for the recipient, and you will want to check with your state to see if the state also requires a copy. You will just simply print off a second copy for that recipient. Back to my form options, if I were to choose formatted and I click 1099 MISC, you can see the file that downloaded to my computer only has the information on it that will be added to the pre-printed form once you feed that through in your printer. And you do have the option to nudge this information so that it does print correctly under the settings page. Same with Form 1096. You only need to print Form 1096 if you are not electronically filing with the IRS. Only if you are paper filing would you need to print a 1096 summary. So once I'm finished printing, I'm going to close this window, and then I'm going to repeat the process for my 1099 NEC. I'm going to show the details just so I can see who I am printing a form for. And if I click Download Options, the same process happens where I can choose the print friendly for the 1099 NEC where everything is going to print on blank paper, or the formatted option where I've purchased the pre-printed 1099 NEC forms and then also my Form 1096. Once you are finished printing your 1099s, it is your responsibility to then send those to your contractors. You will need to do that by January 31st. If you have any questions, click the Get Help link at the top of any page to visit our Help Center.